Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. Thank you for tuning in for another video. So in today's video, I have a few items that I picked up from Walmart and from Dollar Tree. There are some fall related items in here. Not everything is fall related, but I thought I would still come on here and show you some of the new goodies I found at Dollar Tree and some of the fall decor that I found at Walmart at a great price. So if you're interested, just keep watching. But first, if you're new, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. I hope that you will continue to support my channel for more videos like this. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for continuing to support my channel. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'll show you that I picked up from Walmart is this pumpkin, and it's just a cream colored pumpkin. Looks like this, and it is called Halloween Crafts, like a Halloween craft pumpkin. And so I just thought this was really cute. I think I'm gonna use this as the centerpiece on my kitchen table. I mentioned in my previous collective fall decor haul video that I'm still trying to figure out how I want to decorate my kitchen table, what I want my fall tablescape to look like. So I think I have it figured out, and so yes. So next I went to check out the fall floral that they have available, and these are the two little picks that I picked up. I just think these were really cute, and these were only 98 cents. Let's see if you can see the price tag there. Yeah, it's in yellow there. So these were 98 cents, which is a really good deal because look how full it is. For one, you get a pumpkin, an acorn, some berries and leaves on a stem. And at Dollar Tree, these will be $1. At Walmart, they're 98 cents. So I got two of these. I'm going to be making a fall floral arrangement. I did haul some fall floral from the Dollar Tree, so all of that's going to kind of tie in together. And then I thought these were super cute and fun. So it would be a nice pop of color to, you know, add something like this into an arrangement. I've never used these before. These are called Billy Button stems. How cute is that? So I got two of this like off-white cream color, and then I got two of these like mustard yellow, mustard orange colors. So like I told you guys in my previous haul that, you know, this year for fall, I'm not really gonna do a lot of orange colors and like traditional fall colors, but I will in my kitchen add a pop of orange here or there. So I think in my floral arrangement, that would be really cute. And then the last piece that I picked up from Walmart, this is very different for me. I have never really decorated this way before, but something about this spoke to me, and it's so weird, so strange, but I picked up these antlers. I just think they were, I don't know, I really like it. I really like them. They're two pieces in a set, and they're on a pick, so you can stick it into your floral arrangement. I'm gonna play around with it. I think it's gonna be really cute. And they were $2.98 at Walmart, and it is a two-piece set. So you see it's on a pick. There's the little stem there, and there's the other stem right there. Y'all, I'm gonna play around with this. It's for decorative indoor use only. This is not a toy, as it says on the back here. So yeah, stay tuned to see how I plan to decorate with these harvest antlers. But if you were looking for some, if this is your type of decor, Walmart does have them available. I was surprised to actually find them at Walmart. I may end up DIYing these, you know, painting them and just completely transforming them into something different. You never know, but I will play around with it, and I'll be sure to keep you guys posted on how that goes. Okay, so now we can move on to the Dollar Tree portion of the video, and not everything is going to be fall related from the Dollar Tree that I picked up, but quite a bit of it is. And I'll start with this travel coffee mug right here. It's super cute. It says grateful, thankful, blessed. I just think that was really cute. I had been looking for these because I'd been seeing online that there's, they have like several different fall travel coffee mugs like this. It just has the lid on top that screws off, and it's just an insulated cup. Oh, and it does say that this is hand wash only, and it is BPA free. Also from Dollar Tree, I picked up 2 more of these wreaths. You guys saw me haul the willow wreaths recently, and these are the smaller size wreaths. It's not the larger ones that they carry, but these are different from the ones that I usually get. These are actually the wood blend wreaths. Let me show you. So these are actually the wood blend wreaths, and I've never used these before actually, but of course I have a DIY in mind for these, so I went ahead and picked these up. I picked up another stem of some fall floral. These are actually mini pomegranates, and I just think that was a nice full looking stem for $1, so I'll probably sit this down into a floral arrangement as well. And then the last thing I have in this bag is just some nail polish. This is the Kiss Gel Nail Polish, and this is a beautiful navy blue color. It's called That Moment, but I think it's so beautiful. I may actually put this on my nails today. I'm kind of giving my nails a break, and they're just very weak, so I picked up a new nail polish color. It's a beautiful navy blue color, and I just thought, you know, it's a nice fall color as well. So, okay, you guys, so I did find some new goodies at Dollar Tree on this shopping day, and I found these foaming conditioners. Have you guys seen these before? I've never seen a foaming conditioner before, but this is by Herbal Essence. And I got the white grapefruit and mocha mint foam conditioner, and I got the blue ginger foam conditioner, and it says to use it in the shower. So it says to wash your hair with Bio Renew shampoo, or wash your hair with shampoo. Shake well and apply a palm-size amount from roots to tips. Adjust the amount for hair length. Let it absorb into the hair, then rinse off. Dry and style your hair as usual, and use with every wash. It says it is pH balanced and color safe, and it also says there are 0% paraben or colorants included in this. So interesting. It also says it's crafted with Bio Renew antioxidants, aloe, and sea kelp. So that's interesting. But yeah, so it says that the white grapefruit and mimosa mint is for volume, and the blue ginger is for refresh. Also, I found the Pantene Pro V foam conditioner. I didn't know foam conditioner was a real thing, but this is the Breakage Defense foam conditioner. I'm interested to see how well these work. If you have tried this before, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts on it. But I don't know, the box does say it's new, so I don't know. Interesting, but I picked those up. I picked up more batteries. These are the AAA batteries. You do get 6 in a pack. A lot of the pumpkins that I have this year are light up pumpkins, and they do need batteries. So I think I have plenty AA batteries. I needed more AAA batteries. I just always pick some up when I go to Dollar Tree, because you just never want to be without batteries when you need batteries, you know? I picked up some toilet paper. If you guys didn't know, Dollar Tree here lately has been carrying the Scott toilet paper. You get 4 of the regular size rolls, and it says this is the Comfort Plus. I picked up some of these removable hooks. There is 3 in a pack right here, as you can see. I guess these are supposed to be like comparable to the Command hook strips or whatever, but I picked up 3 of these, and it says that this holds up to 2 pounds. So I figure, you know, the wreath that I bought, I'm not gonna load it down with a lot of stuff, so it shouldn't be too heavy. This should be able to hold it. So I thought I would pick some of these up. picked up some of this liquid adhesive. I was actually looking for Elmer's glue and I couldn't find any. I mean, I guess I could have picked some up at Walmart. It would have even been cheaper than looking for it in Dollar Tree, but I found this while I was in there, so I just went ahead and grabbed it. It's a liquid adhesive and it says it's perfect for embellishments, wood, plastic, leather, paper, cardboard, and trims. And it has an easy to use applicator. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it. Those are the items that I picked up recently from Walmart and Dollar Tree. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for all of my fall DIYs. I'm so inspired by the fall season. It is my favorite season. So I have plenty of video ideas and plenty of content that I plan to have available on my channel. Also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram if you don't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.